Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of custom gaming keyboards with the Inland Gaming MK Pro 75% Barebone Edition. This kit has been making waves for its premium features at a budget-friendly price. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what you get in the box. The MK Pro comes as a barebones kit, so you'll need to source your switches and keycaps. However, what you do get is impressive. A solid aluminum case, a hot swappable gasket mount PCB, and a handful of accessories including a coiled rubber cable, keycap puller, switch puller, and tools for assembly. Now, let's talk about the design and construction of the MK Pro. This thing is built like a tank. The aluminum case not only looks sleek with its matte black finish and minimalistic design, but it also adds substantial weight, giving the keyboard a premium feel. The absence of flip-out feet might disappoint some, but the 5-degree slant offers a comfortable typing angle. Typing and gaming on the MK Pro is a mixed bag. The gasket mount design and sound dampening foam in the case contribute to a solid typing experience, but some users may find it slightly stiff. The Cherry MX black clear top switches offer a satisfying feel, although the metallic ping, especially from the spacebar, can be distracting. Gaming features like a 1000 Hz polling rate and full N-key rollover ensure responsive gameplay, but the rotary knob may exhibit some issues at faster speeds. When it comes to features and software, the MK Pro shines. It's compatible with QMK, VIA, offering extensive customization options for programming keys, macros, and lighting effects. While the lackluster side lighting may not impress everyone, the per-key RGB lighting adds a vibrant touch to your setup. Just keep in mind that setting up and customizing the keyboard may require some initial effort, especially if you're new to the custom keyboard scene. In conclusion, the Inland Gaming MK Pro 75% Barebone Edition offers a solid entry point into the world of custom gaming keyboards. Its premium build quality, hot swappable PCB, and customizable features make it a worthy contender, especially at its affordable price point. While it may have some minor drawbacks like the inconsistent rotary knob and pingy spacebar, the MK Pro delivers where it counts. If you're looking to dip your toes into the custom keyboard hobby without breaking the bank, the MK Pro is worth considering. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.